In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand all in Wrike. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, knowing how to quickly and efficiently view all your tasks, subtasks, and projects can ease your workflow and enhance productivity. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open your preferred web browser. You might opt for something you use daily, like Chrome, Firefox, or any other reliable browser. Once you've got your browser open, head over to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Wrike and hit Enter. If you've used Wrike before, it might pop up in your auto suggestions, speeding up your process. When the search results appear, click on Wrike's official site. If you already have an account, you'll be familiar with this. Along the top of the web page, you will find the Login button. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you're new to Wrike or still exploring, there's usually an option that says, Try Wrike for free. Go ahead and click that if it's more aligned with your current needs. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section of your workspace where you need to view all your details. In Wrike, you have a variety of ways to organize your work. You can either be in a space, which is a broad collection of projects and folders, or a more specific folder or project. For this task, make sure one's chosen so you're in the right context. Which brings us to this crucial vantage point, the Gantt chart view. This view is particularly useful as it visually lays out your project's timeline and tasks in a comprehensible chart form. Now, once you are in the Gantt chart view, shift your attention upwards toward the top of the chart. You'll spot the toolbar stretching across the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Expand. Go ahead and give that a click. Clicking this button will show you a drop-down menu. Among the options available, look for Expand All. Clicking Expand All is like unfolding a roadmap. It seamlessly opens all the folders, projects, and subtasks within your current view, revealing all the intricate details of your scheduled workflow. This is incredibly beneficial when you need a comprehensive overview of everything in one glance rather than piecemeal. To quickly recap, just remember you're essentially traversing from your web browser to your desired Wrike workspace, straight into the Gantt chart view, and hitting that crucial Expand All button in the toolbar. This simple process allows you to visualize all your projects in one go, ensuring you miss nothing at all. And there you have it. You now know how to efficiently expand all sections within Wrike to have a full overview of your tasks. Feel free to explore how this feature can streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Happy organizing!